Heat wave in southern Europe. Today, the hottest day of the year is expected.
In Ungarn werden die Menschen aufgerufen, in klimatisierten Räumen zu bleiben.
The weather gets crazy. After the flood, here comes the heat.
Its heritage demands nothing less than top performance. Its name promises the highest design and build standards. And its commitment to the future is reflected in the new technology benchmarks which it sets. The Baranya region in southwest Hungary. The temperature is 43 degrees Celsius, scorching heat, clouds of dust. Conditions don't get much tougher than this. That's why CLAAS has chosen this location to mark the continuation of a legend. Developed over 10 years by a dedicated 120-strong team and tested on 5 continents, it now has to prove itself under these punishing conditions. The engineers have announced another milestone in the history of the Lexion, automation of the harvesting process. CMOS Automatic. It is an interactive system that analyzes key harvest parameters and automatically adjusts the combine in line with them. Automatic optimization of the residual grain separation and cleaning processes takes place continuously. Deliver top grain quality and cleanness with maximum throughput while keeping fuel consumption to a minimum. For the engineers, these individual goals served one overall objective, that of ensuring even greater cost-effectiveness for the user. The reduction of operating costs was also the driving force behind the development of the new dynamic cooling system for the 700 series. The radiator package is fitted horizontally and has a variable fan drive. The airflow acting as a dust barrier. Less dust in the cooling air means longer maintenance intervals. In the 600 series, planar extraction provides much greater reserves of cooling power, even in extreme heat. The new Lexion 780, 598 HP, a 12,500-litre grain tank and a discharging rate as high as 130 litres per second. A 6th separator concave makes for a further significant increase in throughput. The grain tank capacity and discharging rates of the 600 series have also been increased, with the result that grain tank offloading is significantly faster. This time saving offers greater independence from extreme or changeable weather conditions. This was also the main consideration in the design of the cutter bars and feeder housings. More powerful drives and brakes, as well as the cruise pilot, increase performance and efficiency. What's more, the new Montana feeder housing can support cutter bars up to 9 meters wide. Today, economic efficiency always has to be reconciled with environmental compatibility. Here too, the new Lexion sets the standard with emissions which are lower than ever thanks to its compliance with the new Tier 4I standard. The chassis has been completely redesigned. The unique 4-link axle allows tyres up to 1.65 meters high for a much greater contact area, complementing the ground protection offered by TerraTrack. Above all, the engineers set out to develop a machine which sets new standards. A machine which provides the right answer to any conditions, regardless of how demanding they may be. And they set out to live up to a responsibility. The responsibility for a great name.